Hello everybody, today I'm going to teach you how to draw a flying wolf animation. So the wings I normally make kind of like this. I just do kind of like this and kind of shapes for the wings. The animation will probably not be that good, but it'll be pretty good for me. I have drawn flying wolf animation, as you guys know. So yeah, let's get started. Oh, and please subscribe. Goal 14 subscribers. 5 away. Let's get some more people to subscribe, or I don't know, subscribe, please, and like. No, do sketch tour. So what we'll do first, we are going to draw our wolf. Of course, our wolf is going to be on the ground, like this, and the legs are going to be lower. This is just a quick sketch, not final sketch, not good sketch. We're just doing quick sketches. And then the wolf uses its hind legs to push it back into the sky. And the wings are starting to form a bit. So let's just make a ground line. He is on the ground, as you can as you can see, he is very much on the ground. And he just starts looking up. The wings start changing form. The legs take off the ground. And the wings just start spreading out like that. Now I'm using Procreate. Procreate is a really good app. It's $10. I recommend it. Really good. It's not that good so far. But I'm just going to keep the wolf in the same place. And of course, the wings are going to go back out like that. And then we're going to do this. We're just tracing over the body over and over again. Now we're going to kind of make the wolf turn around like this. His wings are kind of shifting to where they need to be. Sorry if I'm going too fast. You can pause the video. It's not that good. Then the wings just start doing some really interesting movements. And of course, we're going to need you to pause. pretty good so far. And so I'm now going to have the wolf kind of start to bend down a bit, folding his wings or her wings. It's going to go down into a dive. And I can make a part 2. Comments aren't really on, so I just will. You don't need to watch it, just in case some of you want a part 2 of where I draw over it. Now the wings kind of go like this and like this. And whoop. Kind of do a little bit of a loop-de-loopity. Now we're going to have the wolf start its dive. And then kind of like this. Yes. Then the wolf is going to kind of pop his little nose out right here. And it's going to start coming like this. Then it's going to get closer as it's coming into a dive. Sorry if you hear my iPad pencil if it's obnoxious. Don't have the best recording area because I'm just sitting in the closet with my iPad and a bunch of random stuff and a stuffed dog and a hat. That's all I'm doing right now. Okay, so still diving, we're still diving, we're going to kind of start catching the wind of it with the wings. We're going to make it do kind of a little flip. And now we're going to have it come down. Come down from this corner. And closer. And closer. we're going to kind of have the head kind of pop up a little bit. The paws start to come out a bit. And kind of like this. Now I'm going to have the head kind of come up a bit. And then we're going to make it plant into a sit. Now let's see how this looks so far. This is probably the end part. That is pretty good, personally. We're going to kind of make it go up to 6 frames a second. I don't like how heavy the landing is, though. And of course the legs will kind of come down a little bit harder. Yeah, it's better. Yeah. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, like I said before. I would really appreciate it. Bye.